Eliminex here. We're in Somerset. There are squirrels in the attic on this corner. And they came out and peeked at me, and I was trying to catch them on video, but it's one of those things where you run up on them and you don't hear any noise, so you're not like, you're not recording. Where was I? Oh, okay. Oh, they're in this attic. Okay, so they're running from one unit to another. Okay. Let's see if there's an actual hole up here. Probably getting into that gap there. Probably needs to be sealed up, see the gap. So the squirrels are probably getting in through here, and then they're running across, and then they're going up into the attic. Okay. Just wondering. Probably getting in through the end cap or above the gutters or something. But I already confirmed there's squirrels. It's eastern gray. Probably jumping from this tree to this from going across. They probably found a way in, because it's been going on for more than one season. Alright, I'm going to send them the quote.